just wanna feel like this. Living life, no regrets.
So ang napipil ko ngayon is happy, masaya. Kasi maraming sa panahon ngayon, maraming tao na hindi umaabot ng 50 or 60. So yun, masaya ako. Hirap i-explain pero parang katulad din yung sagot ko kanina na masaya ako. Nandiyan yung mga pamilya ko, hindi nila ako pinabayaan mula pagkabata hanggang sa ngayon. Actually, lumaki akong wala akong mga parents. So, at least nakarating ako sa age na to sa tulong ng mga siblings.
So every time that I don't feel right, I find someone I love and tell them I just wanna feel like this. Living life, no regrets. Hands up in the air like ooh.
Yung kapatid kong yan ay Joker. Mabait na, mabait naman.
Happiest birthday, Tito B. My wishes for you are the best, and I know God will do the rest for you. It's always the best is yet to come. And happy birthday again. Thank you.
Hello, Tito B. Happy 50th birthday. Wishing you all the best and fruitful birthday and more meaningful birthdays to come.
I wanna hear the crowds like I'm playing in the stadium. People screaming loud while I'm standing on the podium. Look into the camera.
Happy birthday, para happy 50th birthday. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday. Sana enjoy mo day. Tutulatan
happy 50th birthday. Pero dako lupa ka pa mo rin 21.
Happy birthday, Kuya RG. Siguro feeling ko, buwat-buwat pa lang ako, nakita mo na ako para lumaki. Paano mo ka nakita nag-evolve pa sa Pokemon?
Yeah, I just wanna